toolbox is very, very important because through a toolbox, that is how I met the love of my life. What we offer here by Mondeor School of Skills is all your different skills. It is from motor mechanics, plumbing, woodwork, electrical, painting and glazing, building, flooring. So yeah, when you eventually get out of the school, you can just slide into the job market, or you can start your own business, or you can go to a FET college to go and study further. I am on a mission to introduce the kids that or encourage them to do woodwork, because one of the most important ingredients of woodwork is patience. And most of our kids are struggling with the issue of patience. And through woodwork, we can learn them how to deal with patience, because everything they want to do, like fast. I must fix this now, but with woodwork you have to take your time, because there's a lot of things that needs to be done before you get to the end product. So I always go to a yard, scrap yard. I collect a lot of scrap wood, and I always tell them, listen guys, this wood, I picked it up outside. You can put some effort and patience in it and create something that is valuable. Gideon is a learner that I can see in the woodwork industry, because I spoke to him when he came here, and he said to me he's interested in woodwork. So, and for me, when a learner at such a young age can tell me this is what I want to do, then we can start at an early age to work with him and give him that foundation and that skills, and just assist him on his way to his career path.
It's a nice school. I like to work. The playgrounds, the happiness at the school, the joy, it's joyful. Didn't know what carpenter and that stuff means, so I like an experience. They showed me all the ways of being a carpenter. I'm happy that I learned a lot of stuff, because in the future I can do my own stuff, not hire someone. I like working with tools. The maintenance I want to do is painting and work, because in painting I like working with paint. Like I like all ideas of doing things, crafting out stuff, like it matches together. If you draw something and cut it out, it's like carpenter. If you like color it in, it's like paintings. So it's the two combinations also. I hope I have own business. Running my own business. This is my family blood. I like to do maintenance. So if I'm big, I would like to people that is of streets and something like that too. And people that doesn't have work can help them also. I would like to say thank you for sponsoring me, because what will be my future without them? So they help me, they guide me. I can already see my future. I love them very much.